Rising above, I see only beauty and grace. Alright? So, feeling ko dito, no, tagumpay mo ito. You are going to rise above your situation, and you are definitely going to succeed, no, dito, Pisces. Feeling ko dito kung ano man ito, pupuwedeng ano 'to, pupuwedeng task sa trabaho na ngayon finally baka matagal mo na kasi itong pinagtatrabahuan. So, ngayon maano mo na siya, ma-a-achieve mo na. This could also a problem na maaaring kinakaharap mo, and ngayon mapagtatagumpayan mo na. Kaya ayan, you are definitely going to be celebrating, 'di ba? Kasi finally na nabawasan na or nawala na yung tinik sa dibdib mo. We have giving birth. I am bringing forth new and dynamic energy into the world. Okay? So this is a new beginning, Pisces. This is a new beginning energy. All right? Maybe you are giving birth. You are giving birth to a baby. Baka ang iba sa inyo talaga manganganak na sa ngayon. Kung hindi man kayo, baka yung person ninyo. Or you're giving birth to new ideas. Pwedeng ganun din. Or maybe you're giving birth to a new job, to a new enterprise, to a new business, diba? So, possible din yan. Embracing the future. I step into the future with an open heart. Ayan. So, Pisces, maaari, maaari na ang iba sa inyo rito is handa na, bukas na ang inyong puso, ang inyong sarili for anything. Maybe you are ready. Maybe you are ready to embrace the future. You are ready for anything. All right? So, maaaring ano ka na. Kumbaga, you are more confident na sa ngayon about yourself, about your capabilities, mga ganyan, no? So, ano ka na ngayon, ready ka na, and handa ka na, alam mo yun, handa ka na magbukas ng pinto para sa iyong future. Ngayon, magsisimula ka ng mag-take action, 'di ba? Towards a realization ng mga dreams mo, yung mga gano'n. Kaya, there's going to be siguro a lot of movement, no? Preparation para sa iyong future na gagawin. So, good luck. And by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads. Malaking bagay po yun sa akin. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video kung gusto